For this part of the lesson, you need to be on journal page, let's see, 194, or the slides on EDM Online, slide 4. On this, it says, look at the class poster. Well, you're not in class, so I will help you record some of the facts in the boxes below. So just follow me and or listen, and then go ahead and do it after I'm done. But in these boxes, adding a group. So we're going to put the multiplication 6 times 4, 6 times 8, and 6 times 7. Okay, for the doubling, we're going to put some multiplication facts. 6 times 4, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 6 times 8, and 6 times 7. Now there's others that we could use in these boxes, but these are the ones that we're going to use now. Now we're going to, let's see here. Oops. Okay. Okay. The next one here is subtracting. So let's do 6 times 4, 4 times 7, and 4 times, oops, now my 4 is kind of weird, 4 times 8. And then for near squares, we're going to put 7 times 8 and 6 times 7. Okay, now we're going to look at each of these strategies and look at these multiplication problems. How are the facts in the doubling box alike? So look at all the doubling facts. Can you notice not necessarily a pattern, but something, how they are all alike? In order to do doubling, you have to have one number that is even. There's a 6. At least one number in these facts are even. So we're going to write that. One number I'm not writing very well with this. One number is even. Now they don't both have to be even, but at least one number should be even if you're going to do doubling. Okay, now we're going to look at, what do you notice about the facts in the near squares box? See this near squares box? What do you notice about these? Do you notice that they're close together? Like it's not 7 times 9 or 7 times 3. It's not 6 times 2 or 6 times 3. These numbers are close together. 7 and 8 are right next to each other. 6 and 7 are right next to each other. So the numbers we're going to write that. The numbers, again, I'm sorry if my writing isn't very well, but the numbers you can write it as well on your paper, are close together. Okay, and the last one we're going to look at is, what do you notice about the facts in the adding a group box and the subtracting a group box? Here's adding a group and subtracting a group. Look at these. Look what I'm noticing. I'm noticing that 6 is close to, an easy fact is 5. 6 is close to 5, 6 is close to 5, 6 is close to 5, 4 is close to 5, 4 is close to 5, 4 is close to 5. So one number is close to 5. So at least one of the numbers, one number is close to 5. Those are things that we notice about some of the strategies. So we're just kind of taking notice about the different strategies that we use and when we can use them.